तो आज हम देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. एक्सप्लेन डिफरेंट अप्रोचेस यूज्ड फॉर फास्ट डिलीवरी ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट. तो फास्ट डिलीवरी ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट के लिए हम अलग अलग मेथड्स यूज कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि हमारा अजाइल है, स्क्रम है. तो आपको अजाइल, स्क्रम, एक्सट्रीम प्रोग्रामिंग, ये सब के बारे में एक्सप्लेन करना है. तो अजाइल मॉडल क्या है? इट्स अ फेस टू फेस कम्युनिकेशन ओवर रिटर्न डॉक्यूमेंट. अजाइल मेथड is usually includes customer representative in the team and usually deploy pair programming. So basic principles क्या है? Incremental delivery, face to face communication, customer interaction, minimal documentation and pair programming. फिर Scrum is a self-organizing teams and each product progress is a series of month-long sprint. Then requirement is captured as product backlog. Some projects make progress in series of sprints, and it is using extreme programming iterations. Then there are different roles, like we have product owner acts on behalf of customer to represent their interest. Then we have the development team of 5 to 6 people who are actually skilled in a particular work and they are ready to complete that particular sprint. Then scrum master, it's the person who is actually the team who is actually leads the team. Then we have extreme programming. So extreme programming, there are 4 principles, like we have communication and feedback, simplicity, responsibility and courage. And then we have 4 practices of Scrum, like we can write the planning exercise, small releases, then simple design, testing. So extreme programming basically works on the principle that if something is good, then take it to the extreme. So if testing is good, then always do testing for each and every component product. We have to do refactoring, pair programming, then always review pair programming, collective ownership, continuous integration, 40-hour week, and on-site customer coding standards. Then we have to see the next question, that what are the advantages and disadvantages of spiral model. So what is spiral model, you can explain, and you can write the advantages and disadvantages. Advantages kya hai? That risk management is easy in this type of model. When we are handling expensive and complex project, risk management is must. So spiral model has the ability to make any software testing project transparent. Customer can see and review, test the different stages. Projects can be separated into various parts. 2 is the management difficulty. Documentation control is strong in this type of methodology, and it estimate will be more realistic. Whereas there are some disadvantages as well, like customers can be used for small project as it can be expensive, so it's not used for small project. A vast amount of documentation is required at the intermediate stages as well. At the end of the project, the end date of the project cannot be calculated at the early stages. Complex process and high expertise is required to run the model. And you can even you can put the diagram, but if it is asked advantages and disadvantages पूछा गया, तो आपको diagram की compulsion नहीं है, but आप चाहिए तो spiral का diagram यहाँ पर बना सकते हैं. Then discuss the common problems faced during effort estimation. So what are the common problems? First is subjective nature of most of the estimating. तो ये question हमने already discuss किया हुआ है. फिर केपर जॉन्स ये भी किया हुआ है, तो आप पहले वीडियो में देख लीजिए. Explain the top down approach associated with parametric model. तो top down approach क्या है कि हम normally it's associated with the parametric model, and what we do is we try to take the estimation of the entire project. Then we try to estimate what are the different tasks and what is the time required for each task, and we divide from top to bottom. That's why it's called top to bottom approach. So here we are using the effort equal to system size into productivity. So we try to estimate the size of the entire product, then we divide it into modules, and then we try to find out the size of each module. Then next question is, write a note on COCOMO 2 model. So COCOMO 2 is a revised version of the COCOMO, that is constructive cost model, and it's developed by University of Southern California. So it's a model that allows one to estimate the cost, effort, and schedule when planning a new software development activity. There are different stages, like stage 1, it supports estimation of prototyping. Stage 2, it supports estimation of early design stage of the project. Stage 3, it supports estimation of the post architecture stage of the project. And effort, we write it as C into size to the power k, where C and K are defined for organic, semi-detached, and embedded projects. And we have other effort multipliers like product reliability, reuse, platform difficulty, personal capability, facilities, and schedule pressure. And this type of table is there. No need to write this, but just you should know that for each property we have values from extra low to extra high. There are different range of values. So this completes the discussion of question 2 in this particular question paper. So I hope it was useful. Thank you.